Welcome to House of Party. Today I will be showing you how to make your own balloon topiary. A few items you might need to inflate your balloons is a hand pump or an electric pump. In your pack you will receive 12 12-inch balloons, 2 flower clips, 1 foil curtain, 1 balloon kit stand, and 1 roll of glue dots. Let's get started. In step 1, we're going to inflate all of our balloons. You can use a hand pump or an electric pump. I'm going to be using my electric pump because it's a lot faster for me. When inflating all of your balloons, if you want that rounder look, you can press the top of the balloon and release some air to get more of a rounder shape. Now that all your balloons are inflated, let's start with step 2. We're gonna grab the flower clip, stretch your balloon neck, pull it through the flower clip, making sure the knot is on the opposite side of the flower clip and ensuring that it is locked in there, just like this. Now you're gonna repeat this process using only 5 balloons, locking all of your balloon necks into the flower clip, and we're only gonna make a flower using 5 balloons for step 3. Now that all your balloons are attached to the clip, you're going to move on to step 4, where you are going to attach the 6th balloon into the center of the flower clip. Now that all of your 6 balloons are attached to your flower clip, it should look something like this. Repeat the process and you should have 2. Now we're gonna grab both halves, place them together, move them around to make sure that all the gaps are filled, just like this. And the next step is the glue dots. And the glue dots are the ones that are going to hold your balloons together. For this step, you might need another set of hands to help you hold your balloons together while you place your glue dots. If you're by yourself, you can grab a string, tie the 2 flower clips on the inside together as tight as you can, and then place your glue dots around the sphere. When placing your glue dots on your balloons, you're going to want to place it gently on one of the balloons and pull away, then attach your 2 balloons. Once all your glue dots are attached, this is what it should look like. Now that your balloons are all done, let's work on our stand. You can either put water or sand in it. You will see a little plastic cap that you can take off and go ahead and use your water or your sand for that. If you are planning on using your stand outside, your kit does come with a funnel and a stake that you can place into the grass. Now for step 2, you're gonna grab your tubes and make sure to insert the tube into the middle hole and secure it. Grab your little tiny tubes, place it inside the tube, and you keep going with this process until you're done. Now it's time for your foil curtain. Now that your tubes are in, you're going to unwrap it to find one end. Hold tight on one side of the curtain and slowly start peeling off the white tape. If you want it tighter or you feel like you need more glue, you can go ahead and use some glue dots. You pull away. And you start attaching your curtain. You're gonna go in circle, pull away. The curtain does get a little tangled at the bottom, so sometimes you wanna stop and detangle as you're going. You're gonna go all the way around until you're done. If you find your curtain is getting a little too tangled, you can detach one of the tubes and just go in circles. It's a lot faster this way. Now for the final step, we're gonna grab our glue dots and we are going to go around the stand, pulling away gently, leaving behind glue dots, placing as many as we can. Sometimes they won't stick and you just gotta press down again. Then we're gonna grab our balloons Finding our front and then placing it on top of the stand, pressing your balloons against the stand onto the glue dots. And it should look something like this. And with that, you're all done. And your topiaries should look something like this. Thank you for choosing House of Party. We hope this video has been helpful. If you would like to purchase this product, the link is in the description below. We'll see you next time.